guys, today I have a very simple, easy and quick recipe for you. It's a custard powder bun that is very crumbly on the outside and a nice soft spongy texture on the inside. So let's get to baking. I have some butter, milk, custard powder, some eggs, some white sugar, some baking powder, salt. I also have some grated nutmeg, and you are going to see the flour as I keep mixing. So over here I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of sugar into 1/2 cup of butter. Then I'm going to take my hand mixer, mix well, or as we would say, cream the butter and sugar until the sugar is melted. To put this recipe together, guys, only take at least 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take long to make, quite easy to put together. So I'm going to stop at this time and I'm going to add 1 egg. Then mix again for another 2 minutes. Remember to scrape the sides of the dish so that everything will be well combined. Now I'm going to add the other egg and mix again for another 2 minutes. Scrape the sides of the dish again. At this time, the sugar has been melted, everything is well combined. So it's now time for me to add some flour. You can add all the dry ingredients at this time, but I choose to add just 1 cup of flour, just so I can fold it in to show you when I add my custard powder what the color is gonna look like. Guys, if you've been watching me baking, I love to play with flour, all right? So I added this way just to show you how it's gonna turn out. Now at this time I'm going to add my custard powder, and this is where the color and the flavor comes in. All right, so scrape the dish, making sure that we have everything well combined. And as you can see that we have a beautiful cream color here. This is where the magic works, guys. I'm gonna mix this in with the baking powder, the salt, and the grated nutmeg, and then I'm gonna fold it in now with my spatula. And look at the magic, guys. Starts to look yellowish. Keep mixing and then you got a beautiful yellow color. And I do it this way just to show you because I'm gonna still be adding more flour. All right, at this time I'm going to add some vanilla essence along with some milk. And let me tell you something, guys. Whenever you're using flour, always use your initiative, because sometimes a recipe says 3 cups of flour, and it does not always work out to be that way because there are different types of flour. So what I would suggest, that once you mix your wet ingredients, then use a little bit of flour at a time and measure it as you work. In that way you would know how much flour you use while doing your stuff. So comment below, let me know if that makes some sense. Now that we finished mixing everything, you want to touch your mixture. It must be a little tacky, just like this. And we got a good mixture. So I have a greased pan here, and I'm going to place my bun into this pan. Now you can also place your bun onto a flat sheet, but I like mine into these pudding pans. Why? Because it does not spread. Alright, so this gives it a nice shape. Fold the pans. At this time I have my oven set to 350 degrees. And because I want a rough top bun, I'm just gonna chop the top just like this, place it into the oven, and let it bake for 12 to 15 minutes. So my bun is done baking, guys. 15 minutes. Look at how beautiful they are. You want to set this aside and let it cool. Now that it's cool, let me shake them and show you that they're not sticking to the pan. And once it's not sticking to the pan, guys, you know you got a good bun. Beautiful color. And these are my bun, guys. Let me break them and let me show you what the inside is like. It's crumbly on the outside and it has a nice soft spongy texture on the inside. And these are our custard powder bun. Serve with some orange juice, any kind of drink you want. I love my bun with milk or cream soda. And here you have it, guys. Give it a try, enjoy. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.